Phantom, I think 2 years ago. And originally I thought it would be in English, which is kind of a language I feel I mastered. And then I suddenly realized it was going to be in Estonian, which was another challenge. So during the summer, I've been here 2 months all by myself in this closed theatre, which I really love, and I've been lucky and blessed enough to work before. This part of Phantom is sort of on my top 10 list to do in my life. Never thought I would have the opportunity to do it. I'm now doing it with a full symphony orchestra and an amazing ballet troupe and the amazing choir of Vanemuine, so it feels such a blessing. And I'm scared shit to be good enough and precise enough and make him come alive and make him have the passion for Christine, but so the audience will understand his fear that we all have of being loved and love, and you sort of want to tell something more about the character than just this frame that people think they will have. And this music is, the more we work with it, the more depth and questions is in it. I always like the music, I always loved the London version. The fact that we're able to do our own version is and that I have the privilege of looking for my own Phantom and can do sort of whatever I want with them. It's such a huge thing to be able to create and be creative about it. And it's such an honor for Vanemuine because of the previous work they've done. So I'm humble and so proud to be part of that process.